My name is Alicia. I come from Spain, from Valencia, and I'm currently doing my master's in digital management here at Stockholm. And my previous experience is quite short at the moment. I have a 10-month internship in a Dutch social enterprise in the marketing department. I think my bachelor's was very theoretical, and when I finished, I felt there was a gap between what I learned and how to apply it. And so I went into actually ChatGPT and I asked, hey, can you tell me practical masters? I'm looking for something fun that I can enjoy. And Hyper Island popped up, and I did some research, and I saw the project-based approach that I really like, and so I applied. I feel like a roller coaster because there were very beautiful moments with all my classmates that I really enjoy, but also there were some tough moments. They were very challenging with things like knowledge I didn't have about AI or more theoretical aspects that I was missing or skills that I hadn't developed yet. But of course this was the best part because it was when I could actually learn and grow myself. So I'm doing my IRP at Fotografiska, which is a museum of photography, art and culture. It's here in Stockholm, but it's also all over the world. I love photography, so it's a perfect place. I think Hyper Island equipped me with a lot of important frameworks like design thinking methodologies, and here I learned to develop solutions that are actually user-centric. No matter how many years of experience you have or where you work at, Hyper Island equips you with many valuable soft skills like being able to give feedback, solve problems, self-leadership, being more self-aware. These are all capabilities that you're going to learn at Hyper Island. And I feel like the whole nature of the program, receiving briefs from different companies and setting your own deadlines also teaches you a lot about project management.